Welcome. Today we are going to discuss about user input in Python. In every programming language, there is an inbuilt method or inbuilt function, and it is called user input. Actually, it is input method. Python also does have user input. Python programming allows for user input. Okay, that means we are able to ask the user for input some information. Okay, the method is a little bit different in Python 3.6 than Python 2.7. We are not discussing 2.7. We are discussing the latest uh, Python 3.6. And this Python uses the input method. Okay, how we can do it, I'm going to show with an example. Okay, let me give me an example. User input. So this is input method. Okay, Python programming allows for user input. Okay, that is known as input method. Okay, let's try to understand with an example. Suppose username. Okay, what is it? It is just a variable, and input is inbuilt method in Python. Okay, this parenthesis meaning it's a method, right? Okay, and inside this method, I say enter username. Okay, then I say print the user name is, there is a space, okay, and I say plus username. Okay, now just run it. Line number 5. So username is username N is here a capital cap, so we have to write it exactly. Okay, now run it. Still it is not working. Why? Let's see. It should be working. Input. Enter username. Line number 5. Username. It's okay. Unexpected indent. Okay. There should be no space. Okay, username. Say for example, username is Nasraf Chaudhry. Okay, then just press enter. The username is Ashraf Chaudhry. Okay, and you can also say pass equal to input enter your password. And just copy it. Usually we don't type again anything to save some time. And the password is us. Okay. Again, something wrong. Line number 6. Password. Username is Shrub. Enter. And now it is asking for your password. Password is S123, say for example. And look, the input is username is Ashraf, the password is this, and you can keep going. Actually, you can say first name, enter your first name, okay, and you can say just copy, and you can say last name, enter your last name, and then you can say also age, enter your age, and just copy it. Print. The first name is first name, and the last name is last name, print. I am H. All right. Now just execute it and just input the information. Enter your username. Username is, say, for example, ABCD. Okay. Enter. And password is ABCD1234. And your first name is Ashraf. Enter. And last name is Chaudhry. Okay. Enter your age. Age is, say, for example, 21. Now look, everything is there. Okay. Username is ABCD. Password is ABCD1234. The first name is Ashraf. Last name is Chaudhry. And age is 21. Thus, you can keep going. Okay. And user can input information or data that he or she wants to be displayed. Okay, it's very simple, but you have to practice maybe 3 to 5 times to master on user input. Okay, and that's all for today. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes anyone perfect. Thank you.